Hello friend, how are you? Welcome to Tripan Study Center. Today we are going to do the chapter Political Science and highlighting each and every point of it. Let's see what is our topic today. How is the global poverty a source of insecurity? Explain. You know that is an important question here. How is the global poverty a source of insecurity? Explain. You know that global poverty refer to the low economical growth. Global poverty refer to a low economical growth and low national income and low standard of living of developing or least developed country. It is a source of insecurity because it is a source of insecurity because this is the first year. Half of the world is a population growth occurred in just 6 countries here. You know that the half of the world is population growth occurred in just 6 countries here. The number one here, India, China, Pakistan, Nigeria, Bangladesh and Indonesia. Consider developing countries and even poorest countries' population is expected to the triple the next 50 years. You know that there is a most important insecurity source here. The half of the world population growth only 6 countries. The India is the number one, China, Pakistan, Nigeria, Bangladesh and Indonesia. That's important here. Or in country, the country's population is expected to triplet in the next only 50 years here. Globally, this disparity contribute to be a gap between to the northern and southern countries of the world. You know that's important. Globally, this disparity contribute to the gap between to the northern and southern countries of the world here. Poverty in the south has also led to a large migration to seek a better economical opportunity in the north. You know that is important. Poverty in the south has also led a large migration to seek a better economical opportunity in the north. You know that all this is a created international political fiction as an international law and norms make a distinction between to the migrant and refugees as they do not be get ready to accept here a migrant. That's important.